Unlock the power of your own visuals to sculpt astonishing AI art directly within Midjourney. First, you'll need to be in a Discord server where the Midjourney bot is active. This could be the official Midjourney server or a private server you've invited the bot to. To begin, locate the image you want to use as a reference. Drag and drop this image directly into your message box in Discord. Once the image has uploaded, you'll see it appear in the chat, accompanied by a direct web link. We need this link. Click on the uploaded image to open it in a larger view, then right-click on the image and select the option to copy the image address or URL. Now, head to the Midjourney prompt bar and start typing. Imagine prompt. This is where you'll be pasting our reference image link. Paste the copied image link directly after the colon. This tells Midjourney where to find the visual inspiration. Immediately following the link, you can describe the style, composition, or subject matter you want Midjourney to emulate. For example, you might add in a photorealistic style or with a painterly texture. So, your full prompt would look something like the image link, followed by a space, and then your descriptive keywords. Press enter to submit your prompt, and watch as Midjourney uses your uploaded photo as a powerful guide to generate a unique piece of art, closely aligned with your vision. Experiment with different descriptive words to fine-tune the results and discover the incredible artistic possibilities when your photos meet AI.